Hi everyone and welcome to your next car walk around with me, James. As always, we're going to start with taking a walk around the exterior of the car while to point out some of the major talking points and features. Then of course I'm going to slowly make my way around. I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle. But once there, we will of course go through some of the big talking points and features of this G20 320i M Sport. So at the front of the vehicle, of course we fitted out with the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, which alongside that we fitted brand new 20-inch G20 Mperformance style alloy wheels. It is of course a 2019 plate, so alongside having the very nice new BMW LED headlamps, the fog lights are also now all LED, and towards the end of the video I will demonstrate those in full. Down the side of the car, as well as those very nice 20-inch alloy wheels, you will of course see the very nice mineral grey body colour. The vehicle comes equipped with privacy glass, and we'll go ahead and take a quick glance at the interior, which for this vehicle is the black Vernasca leather, which comes with both the heated seat option and electric lumbar adjustment as well. And of course the all new 3 Series just come with the very nice ambient lighting now, which is all interchangeable should you want to change the colour to suit your mood and needs. In the rear of the 3 Series, you do of course get a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a centre folding armrest and the all new digital climate display for rear passengers, and of course all digital adjustment. And there you can see it is a little bit darker in the rear thanks to that very nice privacy glass option, just how potent that ambient lighting really is. And again, being an M Sport, we do have the very nice black M Sport headlining. Moving on to the rear of the car, not before showing you off those 20-inch alloy wheels once again. We've got a high gloss rear boot spoiler, which sits just above the new 3-dimensional rear LED lights. And of course that twin exit exhaust system, which sits just below our twin exit gloss black diffuser. And I'll open up the boot space, which has been improved from the previous Shape 3 Series saloon for both luggage capacity and the fact that you now get split folding seats as standard. And there you can see how nicely presented the genuine BMW floor mats that will accompany the vehicle, of course. Moving towards the other side, once again I'll just take a minute to show you how nice the mineral grey is, which is currently the most popular colour we have here at your next car. These vehicles are so very popular as they are, but however this appears to be the most popular colour people want to own. So I'll take one last glance at the rear seats before I head on inside, make myself comfortable and show you the absolute wide array of options and features that are packed into these 3 Series. We've also got the power fold mirrors, as you can see there, which is of course controlled by using that button, or should you want to, you can of course use it on the lock button. So now we're sat inside. The minute I pop the ignition on, or of course start the car up, we'll be greeted by the fantastic BMW Live Cockpit, which is the all new dashboard or cockpit display, whichever word you like to choose from. And I'll start the car up, and there we can see that now in full. So we now get a very nice big chunky digital speedo display, as well as both rev counter and again another version of a digital speedo to the left hand side. This display can of course be changed should you want it to, and you can have different displays in the center. Moving over to the professional widescreen Satnav, which is now all touchscreen. So as you can see there, I can swipe effortlessly between different screens and different customizable widgets. Going through a couple of the major talking points and features, media wise you do of course get DAB, of course you also get music collection, Bluetooth audio, and of course USB and AUX inputs. Communication, of course you get the normal Bluetooth, telephone and audio, however this vehicle has also got Apple CarPlay and screen mirroring enabled. And the navigation function, which is now even easier to use thanks to having this touchscreen. So as you can see there, I can simply tap to where I would like to set the destination to, for example over here, or I can simply scroll like so and zoom in and out of the map just like you will on any of your smart devices. And as you can see there, it'll give me the option to start route guidance to that destination or even save it. The vehicle itself, if I just switch the ignition back off and clear the messages that are on the live cockpit, has covered just over 23,000 miles, and it is due a service, as you've probably seen pop up in the display there. However, the vehicle is booked in at Satnav, Nottingham, so we'll have a service at BMW Nottingham. Again, we'll just start that back up and show you one or two last little things. Of course, it does come with the all new BMW AI assistant, so of course you can talk to it and say hello BMW, but for the benefit of the video, just because I've got it switched off there, you can see it has popped up. I don't need you just now. However, there is a wide array of different commands you can give to use that for. So for example, you can ask it to turn the heated seat on, you can ask it to set a Satnav route, and as you just saw there, I didn't even need to touch a button to use that. Also, it is a learning system, so it'll learn particular things you like to do at certain times or certain temperatures, and it will prompt, would you like it to save that? So as always guys, I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around video. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where as always I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Down below in the description you'll also find all of the relevant contact information and a link to our website to find more out about prices, and of course all of our finance options for this vehicle, along with all of our other fantastic examples. Thanks for watching, take care, goodbye.